In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin with the first step, selecting your output cell. This is where you'll want the result of your VLOOKUP to appear. So go ahead and click on an empty cell where you want to see the retrieved data. Type an equals sign, followed by typing VLOOKUP. When you do this, Google Sheets will recognize that you want to use the VLOOKUP formula. Next, it's time to select your search key. The search key is the value that you want to look up in your data. Click on the cell that contains this value. For example, if you're searching for a specific item ID, make sure you've clicked on the correct cell. After you've selected the search key, type a comma. Now moving on to the crucial part, defining the search range. Highlight the entire data table that contains the information you need. It's important to ensure that the search key is in the very first column of this range. Once you have selected your data range, type another comma. After defining the search range, you need to enter the column index. This is where you specify which column's data you want to extract. You'll count the first column of your previously defined range as 1, the second column as 2, and so on. For example, if you want to retrieve data from the second column in your range, you would type 2. Type that number and follow it with another comma. Now we need to set the match type. This tells Google Sheets how closely you want it to search for the item ID. By typing false, you're specifying that you want an exact match. This is an important step to ensure that you get the correct data. Once you've typed false, remember to close the parentheses with a closing bracket. Finally, it's time to press Enter. Hit the Enter key, and just like that, Google Sheets will calculate and display the extracted data right in the output cell you first selected. And that's it. You've successfully used the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. This powerful tool can be a game changer, especially when working with large data sets. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking data, or just trying to pull specific information, VLOOKUP can make the process so much easier. If you've enjoyed this step-by-step guide and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.